Hey, what's up y'all, and welcome back to the channel. As you can tell by the thumbnail of this video, I'll be showing you how I trimmed this topper from a short to a mushroom style pixie. If that's something that y'all interested in watching, please go ahead and drop me a comment down in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel and keep on watching this video. Okay y'all, I'm just gonna go ahead and insert a clip of how the hair looked when I had it on with the long side. And we are just going to change this half bob topper to a mushroom style topper. So I'm just going in right now with my razor comb, and this is by Kiss. And I'm just going to go ahead and remove that side portion. Now, I could have created just a whole new unit, y'all, but I was being a little cheap. I'm a beauty on a budget, and I just didn't feel like spending those coins and going to the hair store and buying more hair and coming back and recreating a whole new unit. So I decided I was just going to revamp this unit and create something totally new. Now I'm going back old school, probably like the 90s when the girls was wearing the mushroom toppers. And this is just like one of those Fantasia hairstyles. If you take a look at Fantasia, she is always rocking a mushroom cut. That's the look that I'm going for today. Look, these are one of these quick, humble hairstyles. It's low maintenance, and this topper is easy on and easy off. Literally, you're out the door in 10 minutes. It's already styled. All I do is sit it on the mannequin head when I'm done, finish curling it and everything. And when I go to work, come home, go to the grocery store, whatever. But when I make it back home for the rest of the day, I take this thing off, pop it on my mannequin head, and that's where it sits until I'm ready to use it again. These things are very convenient for girls with alopecia. If you're suffering from traction alopecia, crown baldness, alopecia around your hairline, any kind of patchy baldness, this unit is very comfortable and super easy to apply, and it is very breathable. As you can see, the net that I'm using is a mesh net. It has a lot of holes in it where air can get through your scalp. It's so hot, you know, they got summertime months coming up. This unit is very airy and it's super light. You can take it off and you can still be able to do your daily moisturizing routines to your natural hair, and you want to give your hair as much love as possible to promote growth. All right, so now what I'm doing, I'm just going around the unit, making sure everything looks even and pretty symmetrical with either side all the way around the perimeter of the unit. So I'm just going to go in with the comb and my scissors, and we're just going to notch cut. You don't want a blunt cut because you really don't want it to be super defined where you can tell where the unit stops and your hair starts. So just notch cut, kind of like jagged cut, and that way it will blend once you apply this unit to your head. All right, so right here on this side, y'all, I'm just going to slow it down just a little bit. Right here, you can tell over top of the ear, it's like really, really short from the other side. So I went in with at least 10 tracks of the 27, number 27, and I added those in to the unit because I wanted to make it a little longer on this side. So I'm going back in with the razor comb, and we're just going to try to give it a little bit more length on that side so it can be even with the other. And I'm just eyeballing it at this point. You know, I'm not a professional. I don't profess to be a professional hairstylist, but I do have an eye to see what I am doing. So I'm comparing the sides as I go. So once we are done with this unit, you will be able to see that it has turned out super nice. All right, and as I said, just go ahead and notch cut the ends because you do not want it to be so defined, and a blunt straight cut with the scissors, where you can tell the difference from where the unit stops and your hair starts. So just take your time with this part. All right, so next I'm just going to go in with that razor comb again, just etching down some of the sides. I did go off camera and bump that. As you can see, it has a little bump with the 1-inch flat iron. So I'm just bumping and curling, not really curling, but bumping with the flat iron as I go. All right, so I'm just going to hit the hair with some soft and beautiful sheen spray, and I'm going back in my 1-inch flat iron by Kiss by Red, and I'm just bumping, put a little bump in here, making sure everything is bumped all the way around, making sure the topper is symmetrical, making sure everything is looking good. This is a very convenient hairstyle. I just love this hairstyle. It's short and it's very season friendly. Like I said, the summertime is coming up. It's gonna be super hot out there. Now is not the time to have all that hair down y'all back, y'all want some short, sassy, sexy, easy to go, pop on and ready to go hairstyles. then get with your girl. This is one of those type of hairstyles that I am talking about right now. It is super convenient. I cannot wait to put this on my head. But yeah, if you like the flat look, like right now I'm just fluffing the hair up, just trying to check the hairstyle out, give it some body, give it some movement, because when you go outside, the wind is probably going to blow your hair anyway, so you want to fluff it up and make sure, you know, everything is looking good. And I'll probably be wearing my hair like this because I like the little fluffy look. So when we apply this, we just gonna play around with it and see what we come up with. So y'all stay tuned to the application process. And yeah, hopefully you guys are liking this video. If y'all are, then please drop me a comment down in the comment section below. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, drop me a like, and ultimately subscribe to this channel for more DIYs, hair regimens, routines to grow back our alopecia edges, as well as hairstyles, bomb hairstyles to rock out in public. All right, so y'all seen how I just styled the topper. So now it's the application process. In order to apply this unit, I'm going to go ahead and mold my hair down. I just got off work. My hair is still in this curly state. This is how I styled my TWA 4C natural curly hair. And so I just want to go in with a water bottle, and it has Cantu shea butter and extra virgin olive oil in here. And we're just going to go ahead and mist the hair. Get it mist it up really, really well. Y'all want to, before manipulating your hair, you want to go ahead and moisturize it first, and that's going to eliminate any kind of breakage. Loosen up any gel or whatever you have in your hair. And I'm going to go in with my pick, since I don't have a wide tooth comb at the moment, and just start combing my hair downward. Okay, so once we get that combed out, you ain't losing no hair. Okay, that's good. We're going to go in just with our comb. Because I forgot to tell you, my hair was already styled earlier with this TWA. So I got oil, I got conditioner, I got Cantu shea conditioner, I have Eco Styler gel. I have all type of stuff already in my hair, so all I want to do is just wet it. And we're just gonna slick it down for video purposes, so we can get this topper on our head and we can see how this bad boy is going to look. Got a little tough spot. Just add some more water to your hair. You don't want to pull and break your hair strand, so be gentle. And I just freshly dyed my hair, so if y'all want to see that video, you can go over to my channel and watch how I dyed my roots. Did a root retouch. And for this kind of topper, this mushroom topper, you don't have to put a part in your hair. You can actually just mold your hair all the way to the back if that's what you want to do. But since I already had a part, I'm going to keep my part. So, all right, y'all. I tied my hair down for about an hour, just to mold my hair down for a little while. I didn't have the black wrapping strip, so I just put my hair tie on. So we're going to go ahead and remove this, and we're going to install this topper real quick and see what we got going on. This is the mold that I did, and this is how the mold is looking. And so we're going to apply this topper and see what it's hitting for. Okay. All right, so we have the topper here. Like I said, it's just one little piece, one little unit. It's just going to turn something regular, degular, schmegular into something exciting and beautiful. So let's go ahead and put this thing on. I already opened up, I believe, all the clips on this unit, which I missed at least 2 of them. So let's go ahead and pop those open. Make sure this is the back and this is the front. So what you want to do now at this point, you just want to position the bangs far down on your head where you want them to lay, and then you want to take the clips and you just want to put them underneath the hair like so and snap them like that. And I can tell this hair is going to be so cute. Let me snap the back, put the back in and snap it down. Just want to lock the hair in position. That way when the wind blows or whatever, you're not going away with the wind. Fabulous. All right, so I'm going to take my pick again because I don't have a wide tooth comb, and I'm just going to feather my bangs around. We're just gonna see what style we can come up with once we start manipulating the hair. You can run your fingers through it. Like I said, you could mess it up because the wind is gonna be blowing, honey. You can do whatever you want to do with this hair. It's not coming off. It's like on here, but don't be tugging too hard because it is attached to your natural hair and you don't want to cause any breakage. So I kind of like the whole front look. Alright, so let me get my comb. Let me start manipulating the hair just a little bit. Let me see what I can do. Drag it forward, drag it sideways, comb it down, try to get it to blend with my own hair. Now what I could do instead of molding it down with the gel, I could have took my flat iron. I do have a 3/10 flat iron, and I could have bumped because you see how the hair is starting to lift because my hair is natural. I do not have a relaxer. So if the mold is not working for this hairstyle, you still have a shortcut. You can go in and put bumps with the flat iron. At least a small pencil flat iron, 3/10 inch flat iron, and go in around, hit the back perimeter here, and put just little bumps, little curls in there, and that'll help blend a transitioning between the topper and your own hair. So make sure you guys do that. Or if you just like to manipulate the hair and keep it molded down, then you could do that as well. But I like a heavy bang, so I love to have my hair like right over my brows, right over on top of my lashes. I like that whole heavy look. I like the messy look. You know, I don't really like a uniform look. I like it to be kind of messy and all over the place. So that's the look I would probably be going for myself. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think. This is what the topper looking like on my head. Hopefully this is something that you guys would consider doing for yourselves, or if you can't do this for yourself, you can reach out to me and contact me, and I will be able to make one of these toppers for you guys. We can talk about shipping and handling, and we will talk about how long it's going to take for you to receive one of these units to your mailing address. So hit me in the comment section below. Thumbs up this video. If you find this video interesting, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And I will, catch you guys in my next one.